Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell USDT on OKX. In order to do so, you will have to launch your OKX application and then you need to tap on this square icon in the top left hand corner. After that, you need to tap on P2P trading, and once you do this, you will be redirected on this P2P trading page. Now over here by default you will be in this buy section, but as you want to sell your USDT, you will have to tap on sell, and here you will be able to see a bunch of different merchants that are providing you your own currency in exchange with USDT. Now over here you will have to make sure that in the top right hand corner of the screen it is selecting your own currency. Then you just have to select USDT. After that you can enter the amount on which you want to sell your USDT. Then you can add the payment method into it, in which you are going to receive your USDT. If you want to add the payment method, then you can even tap on the profile button in the bottom, and then you need to tap on payment. Now over here you can either tap on add now button over this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then after selecting your payment method such as PayPal, your business account, credit or debit card, you just have to provide the further information relating to that payment method, and once it is successfully added, you just have to tap on the sell button right next to it. After that, you just have to provide the amount of USDT that you want to sell, and then you simply need to conclude your payment. Once done, after waiting for some time, you will be able to see that you have successfully sold your USDT on OKX, and now your money will be in your bank account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.